This was me 20 years ago.
Come on. Ha, sicker than your average. Papa twist cabbage.
That wasn't my proudest moment, but it was the first time I realized something important. When you're young, everything feels urgent.
Yo, I need help, I gotta shit!
Oh, relax, it's not that serious.
Dreams, pressure, being lactose intolerant. Growing up doesn't happen all at once. Sometimes it hits you all at the same time. After that night of eating that burrito, things felt lighter. Who knew Airtekk was open to let me shit my brains out? And now I work for them. Time has a funny way of testing you. It doesn't ask if you're ready, it just shows up. These days, I drive a little slower, not because I can't go fast, but because I don't need to. I've learned that pressure never really goes away. It just changes where it shows up. Work, family, expectations, sometimes lunch. The difference now is I don't fight it. I breathe, I adjust, I let things settle before they break. Funny how a car can teach you that. Funny how a place you ran into as a kid becomes part of how you move through life. Same roads, new perspective. And if things get uncomfortable again, I know I'll make it home this time. I guess that's what growing up really looks like. Built under pressure with a little help from Airtekk.